So we get this question a lot, where a client might ask about, hey, like if I have a process pending with immigration, can I leave with a non-immigrant visa, or can I come in with a non-immigrant visa when I have a petition or something pending with USCIS? And the answer is it really depends on what kind of process you have pending and how that can be construed by USCIS. In immigration, there's two types of visas: non-immigrant and immigrant, and those are different intentions. When used, they're conflicting intentions. So your non-immigrant visas are your B visas, your student visas, and starts to get a little bit grayer when we're talking about E visas and O visas. But it's very clear that B visas and student visas are not non-immigrant intent. So you cannot have the intent to get a green card if you use those visas to enter the US. So when you have a adjustment of status pending, then you don't qualify for a visitor's visa anymore. If you have a I-140 pending, and it mentions that you plan to return home to obtain your green card at the consulate, you can come in. There's nothing in the regulations that prevent you from coming in with a visitor's visa. It's really up to the officer's discretion whether they let you in or not, and they look at a variety of factors like do you have your connections at home? Are you maintaining your connections? Are you maintaining your bank records, your property at home? So it's kind of at your own risk, and there's no way that we can really advise you either way, because it depends on the officer that's going to be asking you the question at that time. On the other hand, if you have a labor certification or perm application pending, and you want to leave on a work visa, and you plan to come in, chances to come back in to continue work. Chances are that's not an issue because it's not close enough yet to the immigrant visa application, because there's still a couple years or even longer in the case of China and India, before you even qualify to apply for an immigrant visa. So if you have a perm process, an ETA 9089 that's pending, and you're here on like an H-1B or a TN visa, or a student visa, and come back or in the student visa, you would be an OPT work status, and you leave and come back, to continue to work, it's likely that you'll be able to return back. Okay. Thanks for following us. And if you subscribe, you can subscribe for more immigration information. Thanks.